Hi, Brandon from Metra Electronics, here to introduce the newest DVR from iBEAM, the TE-DVR-PS. This new DVR has 2 cameras and a control box that are all IP67 rated and can be used in most outdoor vehicles like motorcycles, ATVs, or boats. Video recordings are stored on a micro SD card that is kept under a water-resistant door on the control box. There's also an app that can be used for video playback and camera positioning when installing the system. The cameras provide a 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second for high-quality video playback. These cameras also provide a 150-degree field of view. This can be an important product for any rider who wants the extra safety of having the ability to play back any traffic incidents or accidents, or just want to post to their social media. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit ibeamusa.com, find Metra Electronics on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.